PCSN. So today I'm going to talk about a new type of phishing attempt going on, and this is regarding URLs. So here's an example, a real-world example. An HR rep goes out, creates an onboarding document, and they found some legitimate website and they just copied and pasted some text for their onboarding document. Some of the text had URLs in there, and these were shortened URLs. So they used some kind of a shortening URL shortening service. And the HR rep checked this on their desktop and everything was fine. Seemed legit. The issue is when the same URL was clicked on a mobile device, it took people to a rogue site that was doing a phishing exercise on the users. So the users on mobile devices were the ones that got impacted, and the lesson is when you're copying and pasting URLs, make sure and check those URLs on multiple device types. Now, you don't have to check it from an actual handheld. You can actually switch your browser on your desktop to pretend to be a mobile device, and you can you can switch it to different types of categories. Like you can make it pretend to be a tablet or a handheld like a smartphone, whatever have you. So always check your URLs from different device type perspectives, because a URL might be good on a desktop, but it may not be good from a mobile device. Hopefully that will save the day for somebody out there. If you have any recommendations for videos, feel free to comment, and hope to see you next time. Have a great day, everybody.